Alright, hello guys, and welcome back to Ian Explains, YouTube channel that needs no explanation. I'm up here at a lake. I was going to be showing you guys some tips for skipping rocks. I did watch a couple videos that were talking about this, and I'll leave a link to those in the description. Alright, so, first, the rocks you want to gather. So, I tried to gather some fairly big flat rocks, maybe about the size of my palm, a bit smaller. I've just collected them off the bottom. I think like smooth, flat, and kind of roundish are good. All right. And now for throwing them. So for a long time, what I did was like the standard rock throwing, which is low to the water, like that. Which that's actually a good skip. That'll get you a couple skips. But apparently, according to a video I watched, what you want to do is get the rock at. You want to be like standing up when you throw the rock, like full, and you want to have the rock at, I think it said a 20-degree angle, which is let's see, 90, 45, 90, 45, something around there. Alright, so just have the rock at that and completely fail. Alright, also want to mention I have glasses, so yay.